Sent by co-pilot. Hydrothermal vents and cold seeps, mysteries of the deep sea. The deep sea is home to some of the most extraordinary and extreme environments on Earth, including hydrothermal vents and cold seeps. These unique ecosystems are not only fascinating but also crucial for understanding the diversity of life and the processes that sustain it in the absence of sunlight. Hydrothermal vents. Hydrothermal vents are found along mid-ocean ridges and volcanic arcs, where tectonic activity is prevalent. These vents are formed when seawater seeps into the Earth's crust, gets heated by underlying magma, and then rises back to the seafloor, emerging as superheated, mineral-rich water. The temperatures of these vents can exceed 400 degrees Celsius (750 degrees Fahrenheit), creating a harsh environment that supports a unique array of life forms too. Key features of hydrothermal vents. High temperatures. The water emerging from hydrothermal vents is extremely hot, often exceeding 400 degrees C2. Mineral-rich fluids. These vents emit fluids rich in minerals like sulfides, which precipitate upon contact with cold seawater, forming structures known as black smokers and white smokers. Chemosynthesis. Life at hydrothermal vents relies on chemosynthesis, a process where bacteria and archaea convert inorganic molecules, like hydrogen sulfide, into organic matter, providing the base of the food web too. Cold seeps. Cold seeps, on the other hand, are areas where hydrocarbon-rich fluids, such as methane and hydrogen sulfide, seep out of the seafloor at much lower temperatures compared to hydrothermal vents. These seeps are typically found along continental margins and are more stable and long-lasting than hydrothermal vents too. Key features of cold seeps. Stable environments. Cold seeps are relatively stable and can persist for thousands of years. Lower temperatures. The fluids emitted from cold seeps are similar in temperature to the surrounding seawater. Methane and hydrogen sulfide. These seeps emit gases and fluids rich in methane and hydrogen sulfide, which support chemosynthetic communities too. Life at vents and seeps. Both hydrothermal vents and cold seeps host unique ecosystems that thrive in extreme conditions. The organisms found here, often referred to as extremophiles, have adapted to survive in environments with high pressure, low temperatures, in the case of cold seeps, and toxic chemicals too. Common inhabitants. Tubeworms. These organisms are found at both vents and seeps and rely on symbiotic bacteria for nutrition too. Clams and mussels. These bivalves also host chemosynthetic bacteria and are common in both environments too. Crabs and shrimp. Various species of crabs and shrimp are adapted to the harsh conditions of vents and seeps too. Scientific significance. The study of hydrothermal vents and cold seeps has revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. These ecosystems provide insights into how life can exist in extreme environments, which has implications for the search for life on other planets too. Additionally, the unique enzymes and metabolic processes found in extremophiles have potential applications in biotechnology and medicine too. Conclusion. Hydrothermal vents and cold seeps are remarkable examples of the resilience and adaptability of life. These deep-sea environments continue to intrigue scientists and explorers, offering a glimpse into the diverse and often hidden world beneath the ocean's surface. As technology advances, we can expect to uncover even more secrets from these mysterious habitats, further expanding our knowledge of the natural world.